Okay, so what we have done is the axle initially was bent, and I have purchased some pipe to replace the axle. Instead of replacing the whole axle is going to run me about $1,000 as a replacement. What I've done is I'm going to take this pipe here, cut it to size. I'm going to remove one side of this, and then I'm going to replace it all the way through so that this will be reinforced doubly with this other axle here. So the pipe will be doubled up and should be perfectly strong, you know, to do what we want to do. Now, something that I am doing is removing some of this excess weight here. As you can see, I'm taking, I don't know what they are. They've got probably 100 pounds worth of metal there where they had done there. So I'm going to take that and remove a lot of the excess weight so that we don't have to do that. So here we go. I'm going to pull this one side out and see if I can't slip the pipe over top of both of them and go from there. Alright, we've got the one side of the axle is off, and we have measured it from the points of the bolts, the U-bolt, all the way over to the points of these U-bolts on this side. Is going to be 6 feet. So we will cut our pipe 6 feet, and that will strengthen that all the way up to the point to where it is sitting on the springs, and hopefully that will be enough to make sure that it doesn't have any further problems. And we'll do the same for this one here. Replace the center with a thicker pipe and weld it on both sides. So if you guys can see it, that's the plan. Alright, we got the new one slid on, and I've just placed it on there now. And it covers the entire axle. And here we're going to jack the axle up here and get it to fit, hopefully. See if I can get you guys a bird's eye view. Yeah. not lining up. Have to try something different. All right, so I was thinking of trying to arrange aluminum plating on the trailer in such a way that it added some room, because the trailer is actually 17 feet long and the plating is 18 foot. So to get that extra foot, I could have it stay towards the front. But I didn't want to interfere with the turning radius of this, so what I'm going to do is cut the sides at an angle, and you can see I've kind of marked here, and I'll do the same over here, and that way I don't cut off too much of the angle when I'm doing that. We'll see how it goes.
Another day. Another day.
Another day.
Another day.
I wound up doing half the pickups on the side. So. Alright, I'm going to try this and see if this works. This is a metal cutting blade and aluminum plating. I got the axle fixed.
Pretty thick aluminum.
I know. I know. Like I said, I'm going to try this and see. I don't know. We shall see. Watch yourself.
big old party out here. And for that party, they need a stage. You know how when people have a concert, they have a stage and people get on there and sing? Yeah, take that one over there.